Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Chrome downloads not showing at the bottom problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to quite simple and definitely be helpful for you, and it worked for me and I hope it worked for you too. Open up browser, then download something else. As you can see, the top right corner is downloading up. To revert back to the bottom position, open up new tab guys. Type Chrome :/ flags flags, press enter. Now in the search flags you just need to type download, search download here, scroll down and enable download bubble and enable download bubble v2. You just need to change this both of it to disabled guys. Change both to disabled and select relaunch. Now we will check if the download appears at the bottom. Click on it and we will check. Now it is appearing in the bottom guys. As you can see, the download file is now at the bottom instead of the top right corner. This solution will most likely resolve your issue, but if the problem persists, we have one more solution guys. The second solution is to download an older version of Chrome. Since this feature came with the latest update, reverting to an older version will disable it guys. To download an older version of Chrome, open up browser. You just need to search for Google Chrome up to down space PC. Click on search. Click on the up to down website. Click on it. Scroll down and select older version in option. You can also check my video description for this guys. Just need to scroll down over here. In here you just need to download the older version guys. July 26 is before version. Click on it. Click on the download option and download it and install it guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.